very good morning to all. Today is a day to feel proud at being a part of this great nation. May the spirit of freedom lead us all to success and glory in life. Happy 75th Independence Day. Myself, M. Tamilarasan from 3rd BBA. Now we are going to see about Independence Day. What are the content we are going to discuss in these slides? Introduction. Why do we celebrate Independence Day and its importance, and tricolor flag, Asoka Chakra wheel, and what are the ethnics of Independence Day, and what is the role of Gandhiji and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and summing up with conclusions. Introduction. Independence Day marks the end of rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent freedom Indian nation. It is also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August in between the 14 and 15, 1947, came into the end. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? It is a significant of commemorates the valors of spirit in freedom fighters who fought for the independence of the nation from British rule. The day is recognized as that of national pride and honor, with the prime ministers hoisting the flag and addressing the country from the Red Fort for every year. Importance of tricolor flag. According to Mahatma Gandhiji, initially proposed a flag to the Indian National Congress, which was designed by the Pingali Venkaya. Center was a traditional spinning wheel. It continues symbolizing Gandhiji's goal of making a Indian self-reliant by fabricating their own clothing. Between a red strip indicate Hindus and the green strip indicates the Muslims. In that, orange flag indicates the saffron, symbolizes a mental strength and which crucial for career objectives or goals. White represent a peace and truth. It is telling about the truth telling empowers and professional goals. Green stands for creative fertility and growth in workplace. Asoka Chakra wheel. Each of the 24 separate spokes containing to a single wheel represent a unique virtue. Love, courage, patience, peacefulness, justice, magnificating, self-control, self-sacrifice, faithfulness, gentleness, humility, empathy, sympathy, spiritual knowledge, moral values, and due to all those 24 consists the humility of their Dharma Chakra. Ethnic outfits for Independent Day. The Indians' favorite ethnic wear, kutra, can be styled up in a numerous way for Independence Day dress code. Put a orange kutra with a multicolor or white dupatta to celebrate our country liberty. What was the role of Gandhiji in independent movement? According to Gandhiji was the leader of Indians' non-violent independence movement against British rule, and in the South Africa who advocated for the civil rights of Indians. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was a brave man. A heroic contribution in the Borg due to his brave impetus. He eventually began regarded the Iron Man of India. Sardar Patel was originally a lawyer, but he withdrew law and joined freedom fight to represent India against British rulers. He became the Deputy Prime Minister of India after the independence and delegated himself to. Summing up with conclusions. Let us do our duty of preparing ourselves to be well-educated citizens of tomorrow. Let us do our duty sincerely and study hard to achieve goal. Today we require youngsters with a lot of knowledge and energy. Literally is the first enemy for a domestic nation. Let us get rid of illiteracy and take India into a bright future. At last, it may heartbeat with a pride to see the colors of Independence Day spreading happiness and great joyness all around. May this glory of Independence Day be with you forever. May this Indian tricolor flag always fly high. A warm wishes to you all. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.